Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by identifying exactly what you have and why updates matter. Check BIOS or Device Manager to confirm your Ryzen CPU and motherboard chipset, then note driver versions for chipset, GPU, audio, and network. Once done, create a Windows restore point and back up critical files so you can roll back if needed. Make sure Windows is updated first. That avoids compatibility gaps. This sets a safe baseline and saves time during the installation steps that follow. You now fetch the correct packages from official sources to avoid conflicts. Open AMD's site for chipset and Radeon drivers or your motherboard maker's support page for customized audio and LAN drivers. Make sure you pick the exact OS version and 32/64-bit architecture. Mismatches cause failures. Once downloaded, run installers one at a time, following prompts and restarting when requested. If an installer offers an express versus custom option, choose custom to you finish by installing and validating the updates in the right order. Chipset first, then GPU, followed by audio and network, rebooting after each install to ensure proper initialization. After the final reboot, verify driver versions in Device Manager and open AMD Radeon software or vendor utilities to confirm functionality. If something acts up, use Device Manager to roll back. Run display driver uninstaller, in safe mode for GPU cleanup, or restore the system point you created.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.